How much the shirt with Champion?
What size?
L.
L. Come.
550? Oh.
It's nice one, my friend. Here, I show you.
No, it's okay, but it's too cheap. 1,000 I give you. I give you more.
I don't need 1,000.
550 is too cheap. I want to give you more. 1,000. Yes, I give you more.
Sure.
Usually people want to give less.
Yes.
I give you more because 500 is too cheap. Okay? Okay. If I take 3, how much?
If you take 3, I give you this for 3. 3.
No, it's too cheap.
It's okay, 3. If you want.
I give you 3,000.
No, I don't need. It's okay. I don't need 3,000.
Good girl you are, eh? Because usually here they ask me a lot of money and then you have to make, no, I want to pay less.
Yeah.
You are honest.